So anyway, Haziq, thank you so much for being able to attend. So it's just a very simple meetup because
ada nama sender tak? Ini sender's name lah.
yeah, because you see this red envelope, you know what it means? Yang siapa yang hantar? Oh, it's good old Ben Radley. Yeah. So aku tak tahu dia hantar stiker kot. Hantar stiker. Tapi agaknya dia minta. So Ben Radley has requested me to pass this to you.
Personally.
Yeah. He said that I love to see when people are being handed. So I don't know. Maybe you can open this. So yeah, take your time. EDC. Hasn't been open
You can start from the
EDC Cooperative certificate.
Oh, Haziq and Alfeezan.
congratulations.
Number?
232.
Cooperator.
Cooperative itu.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much.
Oh, congratulations.
I mean,
I like this version.
shit.
The genuine.
So let's put it on the camera. Come, I'll join you there.
Yeah.
Gambar tu.
Yeah.
So congratulations Haziq.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you Ben. By the way, I'm speechless right now. By the way, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Well, you did better than me. I got. So it's legit
Yeah, it's legit. This is our plastic
It's always like that.
Macam ni
The other version tu
embroidery. Yang embroidery.
Yeah, you can get it now. You can purchase it now.
Boleh purchase lah.
You can just hook up film and yeah. So
Masuk tak malas Masuk tak malas
Aku dah datang dapat mesej juga aku. Ya, dapat aku datang dulu lah.
Macam mana dekat sini? Rumah.
Assalam.
Alfeezan.
Alfeezan. Zack. Zack. Baiklah.
So Mr. Alfeezan, thank you very much for name. So on behalf of our friends, they would like to give you something, some stickers, I think. Okay? So I haven't opened the package, but they would like me to say personally to you. So
Thank you very much.
Tak apa, boleh cakap Melayu. Jangan risau.
Boleh cakap Melayu.
Boleh cakap Melayu.
Saya putih tak mahir sangat.
Tak apa, nanti kita orang letak subtitle.
Tengok envelope ni. Ini patchku ni. Rasanya ni. Aduh.
are you sure?
Rasanya lah.
One way to find out, open. Yang bukan lebih risau.
Ada risau?
Risau.
Haziq, mana Haziq ni?
Ambil bagi atas. Biar ada side.
Yang paling atas.
Belah
Cik Fizan, belah atas.
Oh ni.
Alright.
Sekarang ni boleh aku boleh naik ni.
Sejarah.
Operator nombor?
Congratulations.
35.
Cooperator 335 from Cooperator 321.
Terima kasih.
Okay.
Terima kasih.
Would you like to congratulate him?
Okey Haziq. Jangan okey. Haziq keluarkanlah.
Terima kasih. Ini surprise. Rasanya macam rasa macam tak layak sebab saya ni hanya sekadar kata apa, taklah selalu posting dalam EDC Cooperative lagi dah. Tapi dalam EDC Malaysia dan EDC yang lain tu saya aktif. But anyway, terima kasih Cooperator founder bagi opportunity this pada saya dan honestly saya amat terharu dan appreciate this gift. InsyaAllah saya akan simpan dia sebagai satu orang kata benda yang berharga lah di antara barang-barang edisi yang berharga milik saya. Terima kasih. Wow. Ada juga tau. So both of us dia menerima juga sahabat. Alright. Thank you.
My brothers.
Thank you very much. Thank you Ben. Thank you everyone from Cooperators.
There you go.
Coopit.
Alright, okey. Stay kejap Cik Fizan jangan tutup muka. Kejap. Saya nak ambil gambar. Okey, ini video. Ni kita ambil gambar ya.
Ben, mission accomplished.
Yes, thank you Ben. Thank you founder.